The metric system is superior to the English system when it comes to science because it is built on prefixes, it's built on powers, rather than memorizing unnecessary terms like you see in this case here. 4 gills is 1 pint. 2 pints is 1 quart. 4 quarts is 1 gallon. 31.5 gallons is 1 barrel. 2 barrels is 1 hogshead. If you notice here, there's no logic. All you have to do is memorize terms that are not really related, that they're not related to each other. Versus, if you go down here and look, you notice that the metric system uses prefixes like giga, mega, kilo, hecto, so on and so forth, that starts from the very large on, let's say, astronomical levels, all the way down to molecular and subatomic levels like in pico. So in here, in the metric system, all you have to know is that the prefix denotes a value. And again, notice how they're related to each other. Giga is a billion, 10 to the ninth. Mega is a million, 10 to the sixth. Kilo is 1,000, and so on and so forth. One thing I would like to say is that the English system is okay to use for everyday life. Yes, it's okay at the gas station to fill up your car using gallons. We all use it. It's okay to buy things in ounces or pounds. But in science, it is not useful, and that is why it is not used. So let me clarify one thing here about the metric system, how you would actually read it. The way to read the metric system, as I told you before, is you use this prefix right here, let's say giga, right? Or mega or kilo, to denote a power. So if you look at the examples down here, if I say 1.6 times 10 to the 6 meters, well, over here, this 10 to the 6 means mega right here. So the relationship is shown right there. The same thing, 3.86 times 10 to the negative third, or 3 grams, that's small, that would be transformed or translated into 3.86 milligrams, because milli is 10 to the negative third, or 1,000th. So that's all you have to do. So here's a new one, for example. If I say I have 6.8 times 10 to the negative 6 seconds, well, I need to remember that 10 to the negative 6, or 1 millionth, okay, is right here, and that would be called micro. Micro has this Greek letter that's called mu or me. So all we have to do is replace this 10 to the negative 6 with micro, and we'll leave the seconds alone. So I'm going to say 6.8 micro seconds. Why? Because 10 to the negative 6 is micro. That is it.